Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm gonna show you the Victorinox Swiss Army model number 241 683, case diameter 43 millimeters, sapphire crystal, 13 millimeter thickness, screw down. I bought this watch from certifywatch.com. Price tag is $495. certifywatch.com. They have this watch in special for $179. I don't know how, but they got the best deal in the market. This is amazing watch. It's a tough watch, especially for you guys who work at the gym, or even want to work out with the watch, or hiking, or construction. The watch has this protection, cover everything. It's look like the G-Shock from Casio with the protection, because the protection is tough, super tough, like you guys could see. It is a very tough watch. Let me take a shot, show you guys the luminous. Let me shut down the light. Let me show you guys. You give me 2 seconds. Look at the luminous on this watch. It is fantastic. I'm surprised. The luminous is fantastic. Super bright. Let me close this over here. Just give me 1 second, guys. Let me close the door. This way you guys could have. Let me put the luminous again. See, that's the luminous. We're very impressed. This is a high quality watch. You can beat it for the price, $179 on certifywatch.com. It's original. Come with everything, the protector, the warranty card, manual instruction, the box, and everything. I love the watch. How thickness, how polished is this watch? Look, it is fantastic. The quality is amazing. It's a Victorinox. The rubber, the bracelet is a little bit hard because it's new. I love that. Look at the back. Solid watch. I love it. I really do. You can see everything. The only thing that I like, keep your fingerprints over here. I don't like that much, but besides that, it is a nice watch. The lumens already show you guys. The crown is very, very protector. Very protector. I like the way they did it over here. Screw down, 200 millimeters. I think you guys could use it as a diving watch because it's 200. So certifywatch.com. I do recommend the website. They are very honestly. They shipped this watch for me in 2 days. Thanks for watching. Guys, be safe out there. Have a good day.